Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom header for your Google Forms. So here, I have this header edit on my Google Form, but I want to customize it with my own. So what you need to do here, you can use Canva to create one. First, you can go to your browser and find the Google Form header size. Okay, and after that, here you can see the size is this. Now you can go to Canva, and here you can click on this custom size and choose the width and height. So the width is 1600 and then the width is 400. Now you can just click on create new design. Just wait until it opens. Here you can create it from scratch, or you can just use the template from Canva. For example, in here I'm going to use this one. Okay, so this is plural. Let's find another one in here. Okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. I'm going to delete this English course evaluation. Now you can adjust the size. For example, I'm going to make it up here, and this is here. You can always change the font to how you like it, and if you like with the result, you can click on share. You can download, and after that you can go to your form here and choose to customize theme. And for the header, you can just close this and choose a new image. Here I'm going to upload from the file library, this one. Click on open. Now you can just tap on done and just wait until the header show up in here. So it is done. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!